जय माता जी एवरीवन। या देवी सर्वभूतेषु शक्तिरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः नमस्तस्यै नमो नमः नमस्तस्यै नमो नमः। इस श्लोक का अर्थ है, जो देवी सब प्राणियों में शक्ति रूप में स्थित है उनको नमस्कार नमस्कार बारंबार नमस्कार है।
Hello children, today I am going to start grammar topic chapter 1 describing words, and describing words also called adjectives, same like in naming words. Naming words also called noun, same describing words also called adjectives. Now first describe. What is the meaning of describe? Describe, that means something tell about noun. If I am taking examples, like I have one object, teddy bear, right? Now we have to describe this teddy bear. Let's describe it. First, this is a teddy bear. So teddy bear is a name of thing, so it's a noun. Now we have to describe the nouns. So now it is soft. How it is? It is soft. It is white in color, or it is one teddy bear. So here I am saying about this teddy bear, like it is white in color, white, it is soft, soft, it's one. So one. So white, soft and one. These are the describing words, right? जैसे कि मैंने इस टेडी बियर के बारे में बताया कि ये सॉरी ये टेडी बियर है, ये व्हाइट कलर का है, ये बहुत सॉफ्ट है, ये सॉफ्ट है और ये वन है। सो मैंने इस टेडी बियर को डिस्क्राइब किया, दैट इज डिस्क्राइबिंग वर्ड्स। डू यू नीड सम मोर एग्जांपल? ओके, लेट्स सी। यू कैन सी हियर अ फैट girl. Girl is a person, right? But how is the girl? So it's a fat. So fat is a describing one. Fat girl. Next one, tree. It's tall. Tree कैसा है? Tall. So it's also tall is describing word. Man. Man. It's a name of person. Man is a person. Now we have to describe the man. How is the man? So it's old. So old यानी कि बुढ़ा. वो man कैसा है? बुढ़ा. So old man. So old is also describing words. Next one, flower. Beautiful, but obvious है, right? How is the flower? So it's a beautiful. So beautiful is also describing word. Next. Yummy pizza. Oh, how is the pizza? So it's yummy, delicious. Pizza कैसा है? Yummy है. So yummy is also describing words. Delicious also tasty. Sorry. Coffee. I like cold coffee. Some also like hot coffee. So cold is also describing words. हमने coffee को describe किया. How is the coffee? So cold coffee. Which coffee you like to prefer? So I like to prefer cold coffee. Next one. An angry king. You heard that word, right? Yes. So how is the king? It's angry. वो बहुत गुस्से वाला है. So an angry king. So angry is describing words. Next one. Wild animal. Elephant is a wild animal. So elephant कैसा है? Wild है, मतलब बहुत बड़ा है, जंगली है. So it's wild is also describing words. Next, pencil. We have to describe the pencil. So we can say it's a black pencil, a sharp pencil, it's a blunt pencil, it's blue pencil. So these all are the describing words. Simples. Describing words mean something tell about the nouns. यहाँ पे here all the nouns, हमने noun को describe किया. It's fat girl, tall tree, old man, beautiful flower, yummy pizza, cold coffee, angry bird, angry king, wild animal, black pencil. So here हमने noun को describe किया, that is describing words. Easy? Okay, fine. Now in your learn well, on the page number 56, some exercise is there. We will do it. Yes. Now on the page number 56, you can see here. Just a second. Now write what you see in each picture. Use the word from the box. Here one box is also there, and here you can see so many nouns are there. Now what you have to do, you have to observe that noun and describe that noun. That means पहले आपको इस noun को देखना है, इस picture को देखना है, then after you have to describe it, right? Okay, just a second. Now see. First one picture, look at that picture first. How is that girl? How is she? वो कैसी है girl? She is short or tall? Short? No, no, no. It's tall girl. Right? So, a tall girl. Next one. Look at that boy, second one. How is he? I guess he is short boy. Right? Look at here. They both are playing a basketball, but she is very tall and that boy is short. So, short boy. Now, third one, look at that very small bird, right? Now, smallest options is not there. So, another what we are saying about that bird? I guess it is in black color. So, black bird. So, black bird. Now, fourth one, tree. So, how is the tree? It's big? Yes, so big tree. Now, fifth one, look at that lady. She is wearing a very nice jewelry one. So, I guess she is belong to very rich family. Rich means paise wala, right? So, she is very rich lady. So, rich lady. Now, look at the sixth ones. That short. Okay, you can see short में से पानी भी निकल रहा है, right? तो वो शॉर्ट कैसा है? गीला है, right? अभी भी वो उसमें से पानी निकल रहा है, that means वो गीला है. गीला, that means wet. So wet, short. हमने क्या डिस्क्राइब किया? वो शॉर्ट कैसा है? गीला, that means wet short. Look at the seventh one. It's very cute, like you everyone. It's very cute child, right? But cute options is not there. So, lovely child, last options. Lovely child. Oh, eighth one, look at that picture. Kaisa face है इस lady का? Do you like it, that face? No, na? So, always keep smiling everyone. So, that lady's face is very ugly. I don't like it to see. So, please, don't do like this face. So, ugly face. Now, ninth one. See, look at that face. अब इसका face देखिए. It's look like old. वो old दिख रहे हैं, right? So, old man. Sorry. Old man. Now, see, Coca-Cola. आपने कभी कोका-कोला गरम पी है जिसमें से ऐसे स्टीम निकलती हो? No, we mostly नहीं, every time. It's very cold. So, cold drink. Next one. Flower. See, it's very beautiful. But the options is not beautiful. So, what is the color of flower? It's red in color, right? So, red flower. Last one. I guess she is lady. और उसके हाथ में book भी है. I know it. It's not big compulsory कि book है. That means वो कोई teacher ही हो. But यहाँ पे आपको लिखा है dash teacher. That means she is a teacher. Now look at she. How is she? She is a good teacher. She is reading a book. Right? So, good teacher. So, here आपने हर एक नाउन को डिस्क्राइब किया, राइट? सो दिस आर कॉल्ड द डिस्क्राइबिंग वर्ड्स, राइट? फाइन. Yes, now on the page number 57, you can see a heading, add the given word to each sentence, mind the use of a or an. Now you have to use that word. See, यहाँ पे आपको बहुत सारे words ब्रैकेट में दिए हैं. These are the describing word. जो नाउन है उसको वो डिस्क्राइब किया है, राइट? तो you have to use that word and change the sentence, right? फर्स्ट वन आपको दिया है मोटू इज अ बॉय और ब्रैकेट में दिया है फैट. लुक एट दैट पिक्चर. तो मोटू कैसा है? मोटू इज अ फैट बॉय. सी, तो आपने लिखा मोटू इज अ फैट बॉय. दिस वे यू हैव टू डू दी अनदर वन, राइट? नाउ वी विल डू इट. सी, नाउ नेक्स्ट वन, दिस इज एन एग. बट लुक एट द पिक्चर. एग कैसा है? बिग है. So our answer is this is and नहीं होगा because now we have to add the describing words before the noun. So it's big. So B is a consonant sound. So this is a big egg. Full stop. Right? So our answer is second one. This is a big egg. Right? Very good. Next one. Radha is a girl. But look at here. Radha is a tall girl. How is she? She is a tall girl. So our answer is Radha is a tall girl. Right? Full stop. So second one answer is Radha is a tall girl. Right? Now the third one. Ramu is a man. But look at that Ramu. उसके हाथ में तो stick है. He needs support to walk. So that means Ramu is an old man. Because old, O that means sound is vowel sound. So we have to add articles an. So change the A की place पे we have to write down an. Right? So our answer is Ramu is an old man. Full stop. Right? So fourth one का answer Ramu is an old man. Now the fifth one. This is a flower. But look at that flower. What is the color? Red. So this is a red flower. So this is a red flower. Full stop. This is a red flower. Now sixth one. She is a woman. But look at that woman. How is she? She is very ugly. Right? So she is an ugly woman. She is an ugly woman. Why we add here an? Because it's U that means ugly, a sound. So we have to add articles an. So she is an ugly woman. Now seventh one. Radha has a doll. Radha has a doll. Now look at Radha has a lovely doll. Doll तो प्यारी प्यारी ही होती है, right? So our answer is Radha has a lovely doll. Full stop. Radha has a lovely doll. Now the last one. The monkey is an animal, but monkey is always clever animal. Look at monkey क्या कर रहा है? उस गर्ल जो ऊपर बैठी है ना राधा, उसके बालों में उसने रस्सी लगा दी है, फिर वो उसके ऊपर चढ़ेगा. It's funny, right? So the monkey is a clever animal. So our answer, the monkey is a, because clever ka sound or it's consonant sound, so we have to put a. So the monkey is a clever animal. Sorry, full stop. The monkey is a clever animal, right? So you can see here we changed the articles, depends on the describing words, the which sounds it's starting, right? So here you have to add the describing words. That means हमें noun को describe करना था, तो हमने यहाँ पे describing words को add करके frame किए sentences. So this way you have to do this, right? Here our chapter 1 describing word is completed. Do this practice. Till then, have a nice day. Bye bye everyone.